ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యా రంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Nitrogen valency 5, loss 1, plus means loss 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 2 means sp, because oxygen has a possibly has a double bond. In this nitrogen 5, minus 1 means plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, 3 means sp2 hybridization, you know that. Next NH4 plus, nitrogen you know that 5, nitrogen is 5. It is bonded with 4 bonds because these are double bonds. These are single bonds. Single bonds are considered. Double bonds are not considered. So 5 plus 4 hydrogen, 4 single bond, plus 1 means minus 1 by 2. That is 8 by 2. That is 4. 4 means sp3. Simple logic by your chemical bonding first year topic. So V plus M by 2. Center valence electrons and single bonds by 2. Positive is there, we call negative, negative is there, we call positive. Like that NO2 plus sp hybridization, NO3 minus sp2, NH4 plus sp3 hybridations are possible. So second question optional, 2 possible, sp, sp2, sp3 hybridation. Next question number 3. A metal X on heating in nitrogen gas gives Y. A metal X on heating in nitrogen gas gives Y. Y treated with water gives colorless gas. When passed through copper sulfate solution gives blue color. What is Y? He want the Y compound. That is question number 3. Previous questions, question number 3. Question number 3. A metal X unheated with nitrogen. Suppose metal is magnesium. When reaction with nitrogen, it can form magnesium nitride, Mg3 possible reaction. Next, another one. Y untreated with water, it can form colorless gas. So this magnesium nitride treated with water, it can form magnesium hydroxide and colorless ammonia gas. It can form ammonia gas, colorless gas. That is Y treated with. When passed through copper sulfate solution, this ammonia gas passed through the copper sulfate, means Cu plus 2 solution. It can form Cu plus 2 is generally blue color. When it is react with ammonia 4 moles, it can form Cu NH3 taken 4 plus 2. It is a deep blue color. This is also discussed in your previous class. Same question. So here this is X. This is X. This is Y. Okay, Y treated with this is a colorless gas. This is a colorless gas. This one is blue color. It can form deep blue color. So what is Y? Y means magnesium nitride. In your question he want Y. What is Y? Y means magnesium nitride. Very very important competitive bit this one, linked to maximum topic. Repeat once again. A metal X reaction treated with nitrogen, magnesium nitride, Mg3 and this one Y treated with water. It can form hydroxide and ammonia, colorless gas, colorless pungent smell gas. Okay now. So this ammonia reaction with copper sulfate CuSO4, it is possible positive oxidation number Cu plus 2. So N it is reaction with this. It can form this compound, complex compound. It is given in your previous classes also. It can form deep blue color. So that is the question number 3rd. Very important question. Next one. 4th question. Extra pure nitrogen can be obtained by heating of. You know that nitrogen gas is prepared by the pure nitrogen gas is prepared by the azides compounds. Pure nitrogen gas is prepared by the azides. Azide, you know that sodium azide. Question number 4. You know that sodium azide. Sodium azide formula NaN3. When we heated it, it can form sodium metal and nitrogen gas. Another one is barium azide. Barium azide formula BaN3 taken twice. BaN3 take. When we heated it, it can form barium and nitrogen gas. So remember that these are azide groups compound. These are azide group compound. In this azide group compound, we will get the very pure nitrogen gas. Very pure nitrogen gas. Very important competitive bit. Azides can form very pure nitrogen compounds. Remind one possible in your given optionals: ammonium nitrate, ammonium dichromate. It can form nitrogen gas, not a pure gases. You want in your question extra pure nitrogen can be possible by the azide compounds. Okay. Next question number 5. The reaction with white phosphorus with aqueous NaOH gives phosphine and another phosphine. 3rd time this question. This is in CUK question and this is in level 1 and also previous question. Question number 5. The reaction white phosphorus with NaOH gives phosphine and another phosphorus containing compound. The reaction type, the oxidation state of the phosphorus in phosphine and other products are. So very important question this one. Phosphorus, question number 5. White phosphorus, you know the formula for. Reaction with which compound is called NaOH. So 3 moles of NaOH. With water, 3 moles of water. It can form which compound possibly called phosphine possibly called. So gives phosphine and sodium hydrogen phosphate. NaH2PO2. Phosphine and what he called it can form a sodium hydrogen phosphate for balance. So 3. Okay, it is a balanced chemical equation. Question number 5. Phosphine reaction with sodium hydroxide. What he called phosphine possible, he said only in your question, and it's sodium hydrogen phosphate possible. What he want in your question? What is the phosphorus oxidation number in phosphine and remind 1? In this and in this phosphorus oxidation number. He want phosphorus oxidation number. In this phosphorus oxidation number is 0. In this phosphorus oxidation number is 0. Here phosphorus X plus 3 into hydrogen plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. So in phosphine minus 3 possible. Next, in this phosphorus sodium X plus, sodium is 1. Sodium 1. 2 hydrogen 2 into plus 1. Phosphorus X 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 sodium 1. 2 hydrogen 2 into plus 1. Phosphorus X oxygen 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 plus 2 plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 1. So here is phosphorus minus 3. Here is phosphorus is plus 1. Minus 3 and plus 1. this is also discussed in your previous classes. So 0 to minus 3, 0 to minus 3, it is decreases, 0 to plus 1 increases. So what is the possible oxidation numbers? One is minus 3, another one is plus 1. One is minus 3, another one is plus 1. So minus 3 and plus 1 possible. So given question option is third optional. Hi students, in 15th group elements, last level is 4th level. This is exclusive advanced level questions, advanced level topic. So means here possible multiple answer questions. Advanced level topic, multiple answer questions. Advanced level, level 4, exclusive advanced level. In that level 4, first question is, white phosphorus P4 has. So in that first question, white phosphorus P4 has. You know that white phosphorus structure like this. Like this, white phosphorus. It's possible bond angle is 60 degrees. Shape is tetrahedron. Possible bond angle is 60 degrees. Shape is tetrahedron. So what is given question? First of white phosphorus has. First optional 6 bonds, 6 pp bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pp bonds. First optional correct. Second one, 4 lone pairs of electrons. 4 lone pairs possible only phosphorus. Okay na? Phosphorus valency 5, 3 are participating in bonding, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. 4 lone pair electrons possible. PP bond angle, you know that 60 degrees. All are answer correct. Next one, question number 2. A lightning flash through air may result in the formation of. A lightning passing through air may be result in the formation of. Generally, in this type of questions, possible compounds you want in second question. Possible compounds. N2 reaction with oxygen. Air, what are the components? You know that. In air, what are the components? Major compounds are nitrogen and oxygen. So, in nitrogen and oxygen, they react one to another. It can form maybe nitric acid. And nitrogen reaction with oxygen, it can form nitrogen dioxide possible. And this nitrogen dioxide reaction with water, here given conditions, which one HNO, HNO2, HNO3 ammonia. So, NO2 reaction with water, it can form nitric acid, HNO3, possible. And NO reaction with H2O, it can form nitrous acid, possible. Like that, these not balanced equation, just possible compounds, nitrogen oxides and nitrogen acids possible, not hydrides. Nitrogen oxides and nitrogen acids possible, not for the hydride. So what is the nitrogen hydride here? Nitrogen hydride is NaH3, ammonia not possible, because reaction nitrogen oxide, nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide, water, nitric acid, possible compounds, and also nitric oxide, water, nitrous acid. Like that it is possible. So point remember, possible option is 1, 2, 3, not fourth one, ammonia not possible. So that is the second optional. Third one, pyrophosphorus acid is, pyrophosphorus acid formula is given. H4P2O5. Pyrophosphorus acid is H4P2O5 is decomposed as P2O5 minus 4 and 4H plus. It is decomposed possible. So possible number of H plus ions 4 possible. So its acid basicity is 4. Dibasicity, wrong statement. Dibasic acid, wrong. Second one, it is strongly reducing nature. pH bonds possible structure, possible. It contain POP bonds. P2O5 means POP bonds possible in this. OH, 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 hydrogen, hydrogen. Sorry, OH, wrong. Double bond O, H, double H, double bond O. Compound, phosphorus, 2 hydrophosphorus, 1, 2, 4 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4 hydrogens. And oxygen 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So POP bond possible. POP bond possible. And it's possible hybridization. You know that valence, it is possible sp3 hybridization. Okay. So in advanced question number 3, phosphorus acid, hypophosphorus acid conditions, dibasic is wrong, strong reducing nature is correct because pH bonds are there, strong reducing. It contain POP bond, it is also correct, it has sp3 hybridization. So optional 2, 3, 4 are correct for the third question. Next one is question number 4. Nitrogen can combine directly with high temperature to give nitrides with, we know that it is also discussed in your previous classes. Magnesium reaction with nitrogen gas, it can form magnesium nitride, direct reaction, no any other condition. Same way, aluminum reaction with nitrogen gas, it can form aluminum nitride, direct condition. Fe, no reaction, direct reaction. So possible reaction, optionals are possible in this question. Fourth one, magnesium and aluminum possible. So option 1, 2. Third option 1 and 2 is given. So 1, 2, 3. Next question number 5. White phosphorus can be removed from red phosphorus by. Option 1, sublimation possible. Heat with alkali solution means NaOH possible. Distillation not possible. So 1 and 2. So option 1, 2 and 4 possible. Next, question number 6. The molecule having a pyramidal shape are. Question number 6. The molecules having a pyramidal shape. Question number 6. What is the first option given? First option is PH3. Phosphorus, hydrogen, 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 lone pair possible. First optional. Second optional NH3. Nitrogen, hydrogen, 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 lone pair. Why it is lone pair? Phosphorus valency 5. In 5, 3 are bonding, remain lone pair. Nitrogen also 5, same group element. 3 are bonding, remain lone pair. Next, third optional is NCl3. Third option, NCl3, N, lone pair, chlorine, chlorine, chlorine. You observed it, 1, 2, 3 all are same shape, pyramidal shape. Same shape, pyramidal shape. Lone pairs also written like this. They are the pyramidal shape. In first year chemical bonding, you know ammonia. Ammonia is a pyramidal shape. Originally ammonia is sp3 hybridization. You know in ammonia preparation also. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization means tetrahedral possible. But not tetrahedral. It is a pyramidal shape because reason lone pair bond pair repulsion. Lone pair and bond pair repulsion. So its shape is pyramidal and bond angle 109.28 minutes originally possible, but nearly 107.5 degrees. So very important. So first one is pyramidal, second one pyramidal, third one pyramidal. Fourth option is PCl5. It is trigonal bipyramidal. Fourth option is given PCl5. So trigonal bipyramidal, you know it. Phosphorus, chlorine, 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 chlorine. Dotted lines. Phosphorus trichloride. Fourth option. So here in your question, what he want in your question? Question number 6. What here? The molecule having pyramidal shape. This is pyramidal. This is pyramidal. This is trigonal bipyramidal. So optional 1, 2, 3 are correct. Next, question number 7. Which of the following are correct? First option is given. Solid PCl5 exists as. Already you know this is also discussed in your teaching classes. So what are they? PCl5 exists as a 2 compound. Question number 7. In gaseous state it is a trigonal bipyramidal. In solid state it has a PCl4 plus cation, tetrahydral cation, hexahalide anion compound. In solid state tetrahydral cation, hexahalide anion. It is the first one. Same way PBr5 also same model, but a small change. PBr5. It is exist as a in solid state PBr plus O4 plus Cl minus. Not like this. This is possible like this. Second one also correct. Third one NO2. Third one is N2O5. Third one is N2O5. It exists as a solid state NO2 plus NO3 minus. NO3 minus like this. One is less, another one is more. One is less, another one is more. So A, B, C or 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 all are correct. So 1, 2, 3 are all correct. Fourth option all of the above. So all of the above. Next question number 8. The nitrogen oxide that contain N single bond N is. N single bond N is possible more than 2 nitrogen atoms generally. It is possible in N2O, N2O3, N2O4, all of the above. So all are possible. Multiple answer, advanced type questions. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 also possible. Next one, in level 4, multiple answer questions, advanced level. These all are multiple answer questions. Next level is paragraph questions. Next level is paragraph questions in advanced level. In that first paragraph is given for the 15th group element based question. What is the paragraph? 5A group elements hydrides. Once I read it, the hydrides of 5th group elements are good reducing agent. Their reducing ability increases from ammonia to bismuthine and basic nature decreases from ammonia to bismuthine. Thermal stability and bond angle decreases from ammonia to bismuthine. So what he want in your first question, 9th question, in that which of the following hydride is thermally stable? Thermally stable. What in paragraph is given, not given like this in your final advanced level. No relation between the paragraph and questions also possible in final IIT, but there is some matching answers like in your English subject. So here, which of the following hydride is thermally stable means, check it last line in this paragraph. Thermal stability and bond angle decreases from ammonia to bismuthine. thermal stability decreases ammonia to bismuthine. So which is more thermal stable? Ammonia. So answer, ninth question answer is ammonia. Next, 10th question. Which of the following is a more basic hydride? In this second line you read it. From ammonia to bismuthine, basic nature decreases from ammonia to bismuthine. So which is more basic nature? Ammonia is more basic nature. So thermal stability is more in ammonia. And 9th question and 10th question. Thermal stability more ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stibine, bismuthine also. Basic character ammonia already you know in previous teaching class. Ammonia is more basic than remaining element. Phosphine, arsine, stibine. So here this one is thermal stability more. And 9th question, 10th question, more basic character is for ammonia. Next question number 11th. The strong reducing agent is. So reducing agent, the reducing ability increases from ammonia to bismuthine. So which is more reducing agent? Bismuthine. You know that last element is bismuthine. Suppose bismuth also consider bismuthine. So question number 11, it is what he want in your question in the 11th question? Reducing agent increases ammonia to, by paragraph what he said, increases ASH3, SbH3, BiH3. So your answer is this one, 9th question, 10th question this one, 11th question is this one. So they are the paragraph questions, 3 questions, advanced level questions, that is paragraph 1. Next, paragraph 2. Regarding H3PO2 is structure as below. PO3, not PO2 structure is given. Its acid base site is 1, its salt is known as hypophosphates. Some matter is given about phosphorus acid, that one they want questions in that. In that question number 12th, in the above structure the number of p pi d pi bonds. So question number 12th question, paragraph 2, advanced level, paragraph 2, advanced level 4, paragraph 2, question number is 12th question. In given compound is phosphorus acid, structure is given in your question. P, H, H, double bond O, OH, H3PO2. Given, structure is given. First question, in the above structure, number of p pi d pi bond. Pi bond is only one. This is sigma. This is sigma. This is sigma. This is also sigma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sigma bonds possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is pi bond. That pi bond is possible between oxygen and phosphorus. Oxygen is phosphorus. Oxygen orbital is p orbital. Phosphorus orbital is d orbital. Because phosphorus configuration, once you remember, neon 3s2 3p2 generally 3d3 3d0 3p3, but in 5 bonds condition it goes to excited state 3s1 3p3 3d1. This one is possible. Generally phosphorus configuration in excited state, because it has a 5 bonds, mean it goes to excite. 3s2 electron goes to 3d, 1 3 1. So pi bond participating this d orbital. So that is called, this is p orbital pi bond, this is d orbital pi bond. So it is called p pi d pi. P pi means oxygen p orbital pi bond. D pi means phosphorus d orbital pi bond. So it is only one possible. Pi bond is only one, so it is only that. Next, question number 13. In the above oxyanion, the hybridization of phosphorus. So in this phosphorus hybridization, generally phosphorus oxoacids phosphorus hybridization is sp3 only. Next, question number 14. In the above structure, the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms. The number of replaceable hydrogen atom. Replaceable hydrogen atom is only one possible by tautomerism. Only this one only replace possible. This one goes to here, this double bond comes to here. So one only possible by tautomerism. So answer is only one. Next question number 50. The above acid is called. Above acid means reducing agent, dehydrogen, dry agent. Generally these all are reducing nature, but here he want what he called pickling agent. Pickling, this is also called pickling agent. So best option is 15th one, 4th optional. What is pickling reagent? Pickling agent means removal of impurities from its metal surfaces. Suppose any metal surface impurities are there, they are removed by this phosphorus acid. So that is called pickling agent. Any metal surface, there are impurities, that impurities are removed, that process is called pickling process. So this is the best example of pickling agent. That is question number 15, level 4 advanced questions, paragraph 2. Last method is in these advanced methods, matrix, match the following questions. Okay, last one is in this question number that is given as a 16 question. Question number in this A, B, C, D is given. A, B, C, D. In that A is anhydride of nitrous acid. Anhydride of nitrous acid. B is anhydride of nitric acid. B question. C1 is neutral oxide. Neutral oxide C1. Neutral oxide. Next, D is the paramagnetic nature. Paramagnetic nature. That is the question. Next, here we right side, this is list 1. List 1. List 2. List 2 questions. P is N2O3. Q is NO. R is N2O5. N2O5. S not given. S not given, but it is maybe NO2. NO2. T is N2O. S not given. S not given. So here question possible in this. These are the option. P is N2O3, Q NO, R N2O5. S is not given in your material, that is called NO2. D is N2O. So match the questions in this. Anhydrous of HNO2. These all are discussed in your previous teaching classes. HNO2, nitrous acid anhydrous, it can form N2O3 plus H2O. Check it. Nitrous acid anhydrous means removal of water. It can form dinitrogen trioxide. So this one answer dinitrogen trioxide. First one only. Nitric acid anhydrous. N2O5. You take it. HNO3 anhydrous. N2O5 plus water. 2 moles. So anhydrous of HNO3 and 2O5. Anhydrous of HNO2 and 2O3. Okay, na? Next one, neutral oxides. You know that in nitrogen oxides, two are only neutral oxide. What are they? Nitrous oxide, nitric oxide is called neutral oxide. So neutral oxides are NO and N2O. Neutral oxides. What are the neutral oxides? NO and N2O. Nitrous oxide, nitric oxides are neutral oxides. You know that. Next, paramagnetic nature. You know nitrogen oxide given nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, dinitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, dinitrogen pentoxide. Okay, na? So nitrogen oxides, nitrous oxide, here nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, dinitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, dinitrogen pentoxide. This is diamagnetic, paramagnetic, diamagnetic, paramagnetic, diamagnetic. Diamagnetic. You know this is a colorless. This is possible as a blue color in liquid state. This is a brown color. This is a colorless. You know it. But in our question is magnetic property. So remember nitrous oxide. Here NO is there, paramagnetic. So this is the paramagnetic. N2O3 diamagnetic, wrong. NO paramagnetic. N2 also paramagnetic. So optional. NO is paramagnetic. N2O5 diamagnetic, not correct. NO2 is paramagnetic. So paramagnetic is possible NO and NO2, not N2O. NO and NO2. Paramagnetic are possible NO, NO2. NO paramagnetic, NO2 paramagnetic. So repeat once again this one here. List 1 and list 2. Anhydrous of HNO2, N2O3. Check it. Nitrous acid, removal of water, N2O3, first optional. Say anhydrous of H. Anhydrous means removal of water. Anhydrous of nitric acid, N2O5. Next, third one. Neutral oxide. You know nitrogen oxide, two only neutral. Nitrous oxide, nitric oxide. So this is a neutral oxide, N2O, and NO. This is a neutral oxide. Paramagnetic. Nitrogen oxide paramagnetic are NO, NO2, two only. NO is paramagnetic, NO2 is also paramagnetic. N2O is a diamagnetic. N2O is a diamagnetic. That is about the 15th group elements lesson. 15th group elements. So students, in 15th group everything is explained, and also except level 3 CUQ questions, level 1 question, level 2 questions, level 4 questions, previous question, every questions are explained in your class. So prepare proper way with the order, and preparation is more required because this is a theory topic. So remember it, 1 to 2 times practice it, you will get the good marks. Okay.